Top 5 Print on Demand Niche Research, episode 26. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I just make money and life fast and easy. In today's video, we're going to continue with the top 5 Print on Demand Niche Research of the week. But before we get into that, I just want to quickly announce that at the end of this video, I'll be releasing the name of the winner for our last week's giveaway. So if you'd like to know who won, stick around to the end. Without further ado, let's get right into it. The first niche for this video is Free Britney. So this t-shirt design came into my radar because of the Free Britney protest, or maybe a movement that is going on right now. And let me just give you a quick history about this Free Britney t-shirt design. So when Britney, the artist, was growing up, she was very reckless. She drank and drove. That's DUI. Then she partied hard with drugs and all the like. So in summary, she was very irresponsible with her money. So as a result of that, the judge put her under the care of her father. So right now that she's of age and wants her life back or her money back, or wants to do anything that an adult would want to do without asking her dad, she can't do it. So she is fighting in court to get her life back, her rights back, and that's what this Free Britney shirt is for. So now that we have a background history, we now know why it is trending. So this t-shirt is priced $16.99, over 366 sales, 27 reviews. And from the BSR, you can see that it's already approaching 1. And for keywords, you can use keywords like Free Britney movement. But I'll be careful with these keywords because Britney is a name of a person, and obviously you don't have the rights to make a t-shirt about her. So I'll be careful if you want to get into this niche. And here are similar designs. This one here is from the same brand, Free Britney, hashtag Free Britney. This one is in pink, this one is in white, and this one is in pink and white on black t-shirts. So this one has sold over 9 times, price at $17.99, over 7 reviews. So that's it for niche number 1. Niche number 2 is this Phoenix basketball outline. So basketball is going on right now, and one of the teams, Phoenix Suns, is playing. So this t-shirt is for them, the Phoenix Suns, and I'll be careful if you want to use a keyword like Suns, because Suns is trademarked. And the keywords, you can see that nothing is included like Phoenix. Nothing is included like the Suns because that word is trademarked. So this t-shirt is priced at $19.99, over 82 sales and 31 reviews. Scroll, we can see the keywords and the BSR. And the keywords you can use is Phoenix, you can use basketball, Arizona, vintage. So this is a very, maybe let's just go back to the design and make some quick comments on it. This design is it's not difficult to make. You just put half basketball, you put the Phoenix name, then an outline of the city that you want to create. So you can do this design for all the cities in the US. I just want to quickly give you a tip there, and you can make, that's how you can scale your design. So I just want to quickly say that. And I'm going to the keywords. You can use Arizona, that's the name of the city you're making a design for. You can also use cityscape, retro, in this case Phoenix. So these are similar designs, and from the same brand, this design. This one hasn't sold yet. We're gonna move over to the next niche. Niche number 3 is the I'm just here for snacks. So this t-shirt is very popular t-shirt and it trends every year because people eat snacks every now and then, and this t-shirt can be worn on those events. So, but this t-shirt usually trends when there are games because when there are games or sports, something of that sort, when there are games, people tend to snack at those events. So putting on a shirt like this is very funny and also rhymes with that event. So as you guys are aware, Olympics is quickly approaching, and on those Olympic events, people snack there. So shirts like this will obviously sell on to cater for those events. So that's one of the reasons why this t-shirt is trending, and it even sells all year round. So this t-shirt is priced at 1307 over 10 sales and 2 reviews. We can see the BSR is projected to approach 1, and the BSR overall trend is up, current trend is up. For the keywords, you can use snacks, funny, toddler. So I really don't know why this keyword is vector 8. Maybe it's just the name of the seller. Here are the similar designs. From the same brand, we have I'm outdoorsy, I drink my wine on the patio. Then you also have I like coffee, my dog, and maybe 3 people. So that's it from the same brand. Moving over to the next niche, niche number 4 is this t-shirt which says don't blame me, I voted for Trump. So this t-shirt obviously sells all year round. Why? Because some people are still delusional, saying that Trump won the last elections. Anyway, that's Trump supporters saying that. So anything that Biden does and that is not like a failure, anything that Biden does and is like a failure, Trump supporters will purchase this shirt. So that's one of the reasons why this t-shirt is trending. And this t-shirt is priced at 17.97 over 22 sales, 23 reviews. Well, look at this. The BSI is projected to approach 1. It shows how good it is selling. The keywords you can use is voted Republican, Trump, American, party, flag, circle, distress, and all the like. So he has similar designs from the same brand. And our next niche is a similar niche from the previous one, which is also an anti-Biden Trump or anti-Biden shirt or pro-Trump shirt, and it says your max is as useless as Biden. So many people don't want to wear masks, and they think that their rights are being trampled on when they are told to wear masks, which is to their own benefit, but some of them still don't want to wear masks. So this t-shirt says your mask is as useless as Biden, explains how they don't like Biden. So this is definitely a pro-Trump shirt or an anti-Biden shirt. So anything that Biden does and they don't like, or they don't like his policies, these shirts are gonna sell. So this shirt is gonna sell all year round as long as Biden is president. So the overall trend is up, as you can see, and here's how the BSR looks like. And the keywords, you can use Biden, max, useless, funny, anti-Trump, sarcastic, humorous, Democrat, Republican, president, and more. So here are the similar designs, and our bonus niche is this equal rights LGBTQ t-shirt. So we all know we're in the Pride Month, and the LGBTQ Pride, and this is the LGBTQ Pride Month. So we have this t-shirt that is really doing well. It's priced at $15.99 over 23 sales and 1 review. It says equal rights for others does not mean fewer rights for you. It's not pie, which is true. It's very true. So as you can see, overall trend is up, current trend is up, and the BSR is quickly approaching 1. And the keywords you can use, please don't use pride. Pride is trademarked. Use proud. You can use month, LGBTQ, transgender, bisexual, and all the like. So here are the similar designs, and that is it for the niches. So before we move over to the next section of this video, I just want to quickly make I just want to quickly say that let me reiterate a point that I earlier made, which is about the Olympics. Olympics 2021 starts July 23rd, and this is a very huge event for print-on-demand sellers like myself, because this event comes after 4 years. So people have been waiting for this event for 4 years, and this event is finally here, and we can make t-shirts for all the sports in this event. So we can make t-shirts for swimming, we can make t-shirts for the running niche, you can make t-shirts for the badminton niche, you can make t-shirts for athletics, you can make t-shirts for soccer, volleyball. It's just up to you, t-shirts that you can make, but the niches are endless in this huge umbrella niche of the Olympics. So guys, if you haven't made designs for these other niches that I've made, I will advise you to first of all start off with these Tokyo Olympic shirts. But I'll advise you not to write the words Tokyo nor Olympics, because those words are definitely trademarked. So for the next part of this video is telling you the niches that are upcoming. The niches that are upcoming are the Independence Day observed, then there's a Labor Day, September 6th, and for the Independence Day, that's July 5th, July 4th, and Labor Day is September 6th. Hispanic Heritage Month starts on September 15th, Indigenous Peoples Day on October 11th. Then you have the Columbus Day, October 11th too. So I'm just going to leave this here, then we're going to continue with the events in our next video. So moving to the next part of this video, which is talking about the person who won our last week's giveaway. So I did a quick scroll for, let me just pause that. I did a quick scroll in the last week's video, and I will just give it to this person, Ivan Garib. Yep, congratulations to you, Ivan Garib. I'm not sure if I'm calling the name correctly, but if I am not correctly, please forgive me. So congratulations to you for winning this week's giveaway, which is a 30 minutes one-on-one call with me. So you can ask any questions that you want, anything that is bothering you, I'm there to answer. So you can just go to my channel, go to the about page, and you'll see my email address. I'm not signed here right now, but you can grab my email address from me and message me, and we can book a call. So guys, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about print-on-demand and KDP, this is a channel for you. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you in the next one.